This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
You know what's wild? We're so used to seeing humanoid robots doing backflips or carefully walking across a lab that we almost miss the exact moment they actually started doing real, complex jobs. I just watched this new footage from a robotics company called MindOn, and it completely shifts the conversation around what automation is going to look like over the next year. What we are looking at isn't a remote-controlled puppet or a highly choreographed concept video. This is a fully autonomous humanoid robot running an end-to-end packing and fulfillment line. And it's doing it entirely on its own. Normally, when we talk about warehouse robots, we picture those little flatbots that carry shelves around, or those giant mechanical arms bolted to the floor. But this MindOn robot is acting as the connective tissue between all of those stationary systems. It physically walks over to the storage racks, scans the area, grabs a specific inventory bin, and carries it over to the workstation. It is seamlessly navigating the space exactly like a human worker would. But here is the part that really caught my attention. It doesn't just drop the box and walk away. It actually collaborates with the traditional robotic arms on the desk. The humanoid sets up the empty cardboard boxes. The mounted robotic arms precisely pick and place the items inside, and then they work together to get the packages taped, sealed, and pushed down the conveyor belt. They are working as a synchronized, autonomous team. And the absolute most important detail here is that there is no human behind a screen using a joystick. The AI is processing the visual data live. It's figuring out where the boxes are, calculating the exact grip strength needed so it doesn't crush the cardboard, and coordinating its movements with the other machines in real time. Think about the implications here for global logistics. The massive bottleneck in warehouses right now is that traditional robots are rigid. A robot that puts tape on a box can't suddenly go fetch a new roll of tape from the supply room if it runs out. A humanoid robot can. It's a general-purpose, physical AI agent. It fits perfectly into environments that were already built for humans, meaning major shipping companies don't have to spend billions redesigning their entire infrastructure to fit new machines. The robots simply adapt to the warehouse as it is. Seeing an AI system literally piece together boxes, tape them up, and sort them at this kind of speed makes it obvious that the hardware has finally caught up to the software. I'm going to be tracking MindOn and how these multi-robot systems are being deployed very closely over the next few months. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and follow these breakthroughs as they happen, make sure to subscribe to AIX. I'll catch you in the next one.